to Tupperware number 1 to get noodle. I like Tupperware number 1. That's noodle. Noodle. Noodle Tupperware. Then we put the noodle in the pot. Okay, now we go to Tupperware number 2 for the sauce. Tupperware number 2 is for the sauce. I'm not gonna shit solid for a week, but I'm hungry. Sauce. Okay. Now we put this sauce. We put the noodles in the sauce.
I'm right here.
Yeah, we got the stick. We're not getting that fish. Fuck that. Noodles and sauce is simple enough. I assume that's killing the listeria. The sauce kills the listeria. Anything fried or boiled is good. That flame needs to go up. He needs to use stick to make flame go up. And let's just see when she puts the... Now she's going to put... Sauce is on. Okay. Now we put the noodles in the sauce. Here we go. Noodles in the sauce. Sauce. Okay. Then we're going to mix the noodles in the sauce. Let the listeria go away a little bit. This is DR cooking. DR cooking. I should probably pour some rum in there. That's not the worst idea. Get a shot of rum and put it in there. I like it. We need more sauce. Extra sauce. Extra sauce. More sauce. More sauce. More sauce. More sauce. More sauce.
Right sauce.
I know. It looks pretty good. I don't want to die today. Chef busting a move. Chef is busting a move. Uh-oh, this is other color sauce. Red sauce. I like stick. That's how you keep the fire going, right? Is with stick? Is that electric or is that gas? Your fryer. We saw the electricity in the shower. There we go. He got some fryer. He's got meat cooking on grill. He pokes it with stick. Extra sauce. Oh. I feel like I'm watching Ratatouille here. Extra sauce. This is a ship-run excursion. You guys are getting to see this whole process. Now we put it in bowl. Then we have to put another Tupperware for cheese. And I'm gonna see if I got a smoker here.
The fry.
No, I don't care. I don't care if it's dirty. Anybody smoke cigarettes here? I can just light it on fire. Okay, just put it on the grill for a second.
Oh.
That's how you make it clean. You put it on the grill.
Okay. What are we going to do first? You're going to do what with?
What? With the fork?
Yeah.
Eat the pasta.
Yeah, it's
I'm gonna eat the pasta. That's my pasta.
It's very good.
I mean, I can stab my eye out, but that wouldn't be good. Parmesan cheese from the Tupperware. Okay. That should be my pasta. Wait, is that our pasta?
It's the pasta.
Yeah.
Alfredo, white
Yeah.
sauce.
That's me. I ordered. Oh.
Mine.
What?
That's mine. Other people.
We just watched the pasta making for nothing? Okay.